Hi, everybody. Welcome to Back to School Night for AP Calculus BC. Really disappointed that I don't get to meet you all in person. This is a night I really look forward to. I love reconnecting with parents of past students and also getting to know parents of students I haven't had the opportunity to work with in the past. So hopefully this year at some point we'll have an opportunity to meet in person, but for right now this video will have to do. AP Calculus BC is a fantastic class. It really gives the kids overview picture of all of math and how it all kind of pulls together and culminates in this subject area where we start taking a look at topics from early math, but looking at them from a limit perspective and what impact that has on the physical world. So it's a great opportunity to see math from a big picture standpoint and really build our skill set to see success in a lot of college major areas as kids move forward. Now, in this class, we do have to adhere to the College Board's curriculum, and they have been very clear this year that they're not going to reduce the curriculum on the test. They did that last year due to the spring, but this year they're said that they're not going to make a reduction. Now, the nice part is College Board does lay out every unit similar to this page right here, and they also give a targeted number of days of instruction, and that targeted number of days is what I use to put together a unit calendar for the students. This unit calendar really drives our instruction. Every day you're going to notice a few little topics in there, and sometimes you'll see, 4 or 6, like in the most recent day, topics. It's not as big as you think. Those are typically like 4 or 6 different problem types that all fall under one umbrella of a big concept. So typically, if students understand one of the problem types, it's just looking at it from a different perspective. So it's just reinforcing that skill and the big conceptual understanding. So when I look at each of these, they connect to what runs kind of behind the scenes for us in this class, and that's Khan Academy. Khan Academy will have daily homework. It'll also have quizzes at the end of each group of topics. Those quizzes are the first thing that really goes in the gradebook for the students. Those are formative in nature, and I encourage the kids to keep retaking them until they get to 100. The whole goal of this class is to get ready for that big test at the end of the year, and I really want to reinforce with that students the idea that if they struggle, all they have to do is put in a little bit more effort, a little bit more work, and spend a little bit more time with the topic, and they will see success with it. And I want their grade to represent that success that they're seeing. Our goal is a 5 at the end. We have a really good track record. In the past, we've been about 80%. Last year, it dipped a little bit due to the nature of the test. They cut it down to just 2 free response items. But we have been about 80% at the 5s, and I foresee that same thing happening this year. If they put in the work they need, they're going to do great this year. In the OneNote notebook, really the kids have access to any of the in-class notes that we've done. They're also going to have a list of the Khan homeworks required and suggested, and also video resources. Some of those will be from Khan, some will be from the College Board, and some will be from me. The goal of this year is to make this unusual, strange year as manageable as possible for the students and help them get to a 5 on the AP exam. I'm really looking forward to the year. It's a great group of kids. Excited to continue working with them throughout this year. And there may be some bumps in the road as we go through, but we will work through them. This is going to be a year with a lot of unexpected changes throughout, I'm sure. But I'm confident that the kids can make it through, and I'll do everything I can to help them. If there's ever a question or a concern or something just doesn't seem right, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I'm always available, happy to talk through any situations that occur. Email works as well. So I look forward to working with your students, and again, look forward to hopefully meeting you guys at some point in the near future. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.